Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to OneDrive storage detailed guide step by step clearly. In the address bar, type in www.onedrive.com and press enter. You will be directed to the OneDrive homepage. If you already have a Microsoft account, click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account and click next. Next, input your password and click sign in. If you do not have a Microsoft account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Follow the prompts to fill in your name, email, and password to set up a new account. Once you're signed in, click on the Upgrade or Get More Storage option usually found on the left sidebar. You will see the various storage plans available for OneDrive. Review the storage options to find the plan that suits your needs. You will be redirected to a payment page. Enter your payment details, including credit card information. If applicable, enter your billing address. Review the terms and conditions, and if you agree, check the box to accept them. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your new OneDrive storage plan. Once your subscription is confirmed, you can begin using your additional storage immediately. You can manage your subscription at any time by going to the settings in your OneDrive account. Now you are all set to enjoy your OneDrive storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.